In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a futures position on the Binance app. Now, before we dive in, just a quick note. These steps assume you're already logged into the Binance app and you have a futures position open. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to open your Binance app and navigate to the Futures tab. Now, depending on which version of the app you have, you might find this tab labeled as Derivatives or simply Futures. Once you're there, you'll want to familiarize yourself with the layout. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Positions. This is often located near the bottom of the screen or accessible through a specific Positions tab, and it's where you'll see all your current open trades, including details like the symbol, size, entry price, margin, and your unrealized P&L or profit and loss. Next, you'll need to choose which specific position you want to close. Look through your list of open contracts and identify the one you wish to exit from, be it BTC, USDT, USDSM, or whichever contract you're dealing with. To proceed, there should be a button labeled Close Position, or alternatively, you might need to tap on the position itself to open its details, where you'll find the option to close. If you don't see the Close button immediately, don't worry. It might be hidden under Actions or perhaps a menu next to your position. Once you've found your position, it's decision time. You need to select how much of the position you want to close. You can choose to close the full amount if you prefer, or you might opt for a partial close, perhaps 50% or 75% of the position. Make your decision based on your trading strategy or risk management plan. Next, decide on the order type you'd like to use. The two most common options are a market order or a limit order. When you choose a market order, you're opting to close the position immediately at the current market price, which is fast but could lead to slippage. On the other hand, a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you'd like to close the position. Keep in mind, a limit order may not execute as swiftly if the market doesn't reach your set price. Depending on Binance Futures offerings, you might also see options for stop loss or take profit orders to automate the close under certain conditions. Before you finalize, review all the details carefully. Confirm the contract, authorize how much you're closing, verify the order type, and double-check associated fees and the expected execution price. Once everything is in order, tap. Confirm to execute your action. Finally, you'll want to ensure that your position is successfully closed. After executing the order, your position should disappear from the open positions list. If you opted for a partial close, the position should reflect the reduced quantity. Your P&L will now be realized, and you can breathe easy, knowing your futures position has been managed successfully.